If your teen says an AI is their best friend, pause. Because your next move decides what happens next, openness or secrecy. Don't panic and don't spy. Instead, understand what their brain is choosing. Most teens aren't choosing a robot, they're choosing predictable safety. Real people can misunderstand you, judge you, or leave you on red. AI doesn't do that. It responds instantly. It sounds calm. It feels available. So here's a simple brain model. Your teen has a safety radar. When the nervous system feels stress or loneliness, it scans for something that feels safe. And the brain also has an instant relief button, something that quickly lowers discomfort. AI can become the fastest way to press that button. Validation now, comfort now, no embarrassment, no risk. The problem is not that AI exists. The risk is what gets replaced. Real relationships are slower, but they build resilience because the skill is repair. You feel misunderstood, you talk, you reconnect. Those repair reps teach the brain how to handle real life. If AI replaces repair, the brain gets fewer reps, and over time, human relationships can feel too hard. So the goal isn't banning tech. The goal is this: AI stays a tool, not a relationship, and you rebuild one daily human anchor. Now here's the parent protocol. 3 steps. Step 1, connect. Say calmly, I get why this feels easier. No judgment, I'm listening. Your calm becomes the container. That's what keeps the door open. Step 2, boundary. Say one clear sentence. AI is limited in our home, not as punishment, as protection. Keep it short, then stop talking. 1 sentence, no debate. Step 3, replace. Add a daily human anchor. 10 minutes is enough if it's consistent. A short walk with you, a sport or class, a club, a cousin call. Anything that gives their nervous system real-world safety. One more rule, don't argue at midnight. Schedule the real talk for daylight. And if they push back, repeat this: I'm with you, and this is the limit. If you want my exact 2-sentence script for the first conversation, comment anchor. I'll pin it.